you now see the on top of Wazobia TV. We make sure say we'll bring you everything we concern waiting to happen for inside the country, and we break and down one by follow. So as 2023 election don't they come near like this, if you follow Tory we concern River State and politics matter, you don't know say a lot they shell for inside River State for politics matter. Plenty they there, because even the governor where they there now, you go know say him and him be the chief of staff before for the former governor will be now transportation minister, honorable minister of transport Ogarutimi Chibike Amaechi, and you go notice say two of them will be like say for politics matter they didn't agree at all, they didn't follow one road, and even inside the ruling party faction where they for inside River State, that is APC for inside River State, if you notice, you go know say for inside 2019 they no field any candidates, they no contest for the election. Wetin we make this one happen? And now the matter then we be say we won't touch light with this, because 2023 election don't they come up and a lot of people don't they can't talk their mind. This one don't say are they interested in this one, or are they interested, or don't they see a few people don't come and talk their mind as they won't contest for even presidency. But now as 2023 election they come, wetin be the hope for River State, especially as APC still never settled their internal gbege for inside River State. Now the matter now we want touch light with this, and of course we no go fit touch light this matter without calling the people that matter for inside River State as politics concern for inside the state. So if they want Oga Patapata we dey with us, we will get the privilege, you know. So this one an August visitor for inside February. It dey hard for you to see this kind of person come enter inside studio with you on a time like this. And this Oga don dey inside politics since 1999 for inside River State. He can't follow sit down for inside studio, so make he put smart for inside this matter, because himself na very big game player for the matter. We get Senator Magnus Abe for inside the studio. Good morning, sir.
Precious, good morning. How you doing?
I did fine. I did try.
We thank God, though. We're here with you today.
I don't feel wait to hear you talk on this matter for inside Pidgin English. I don't feel wait to see the grammar change to another level. Welcome to our studio, sir, and thank you for doing us the honor to come follow Put Smart for waiting, go move our country and our state them forward. Concerning River State matter, and as it concerns APC, your party, we notice say for 2019, APC no field any candidate. So now it be like say the matter way concerned that matter never still settle. What's be the hope for 2023 election for inside River State with APC?
Well, Precious, first of all, before I begin going to all this political matter where you put forward, make I thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.
I myself come here because you're an old Port Harcourt person.
Thank
and
you,
when
sir.
you dey there, you make friends with all of us.
Yes, sir.
So if we see say you don't dey Lagos now, you say make we come. We will come to also support you as we've been the supporters. So now make we dey here.
Thank you.
So just so that make people know, say the good way you do yesterday, go fit still follow you till reach tomorrow. As to this political matter, first make I talk say me no be for 1999 where I start politics. So you know say for the Abacha transition where they do that time, UNCP, GDP, I've been waiting and call all those parties. I've been follow contest that time, and I've been enter the House of Assembly that time for that Abacha transition where come collapse before we can start this one where we do now. So person don't they do this thing, they don't take. But as to the matter we happen for the APC, where we no field candidate, that one, the thing we happen been be say, everybody remember that time, say when court been looking to the APC matter, when people go protest, say they no agree them buy form, they no agree them participate for the election. Court can't look the thing, can't talk say make the party hold on, make them no go forward, make them look inside the matter. Instead of the party to agree hold on, then first go attack the court. Then come make statements, say then they no go listen to waiting the court they talk, say the court no get power to talk into anything way then they do. And the people we talk this thing, now still the Amaechi faction people. Now then go talk them for channels, talk them for every TV, say they no go obey the court. So then go ahead. So when people can't go file before the court, say the order way you been give, say make this people hold on, then say they no go obey, talk them for TV, say they no go obey. The court can't say, okay, as soon as no obey the thing where we talk, everything we wanna do, yamutu. Now there the wahala can't start. So it can't turn to fight between them and the court. Now those of us who no been follow for the fight with the court, we can say, okay, instead of us to go ahead, go use those delegates where the court don't say no good, do election, make we do direct primaries. Okay. Where they provided for the party constitution, in which case that one no go offend the thing where the court been they do. And even the national agreed that time, Adam say for River State, because of the court problem, we go use direct primaries. But the minister still no agree. Say he must do am the way he talk, say he go do am. Now, so we can't drag that matter. The court can't say, well, everything go. So now that fight between them and the court, now him bring the wahala, we make the party no feel candidate.
So waiting be the way forward, and waiting you think, as person where you be say he be caged man for inside this matter, waiting you think say go fit happen to use, make sure say this matter resolve, to ensure say APC go fit stand gidigba for inside the 2023 election when they come up.
Me, I know say for politics, disagreement must dey. But waiting that they do for disagreement for politics, be say everybody go look waiting day. You take some, you leave some, you make room so that on a fit move forward together. Because nowhere where disagreement no go there for politics. But when person come begin play politics, say anybody will no agree everything where I talk out. There is no way such politics go move forward now. Because people no go agree. Like me now, I know if sit down agree everything where anybody they talk.
So it means say they never make any room for reconciliation before now, and
they tried for the reconciliation. We don't meet several times. People say the National Reconciliation Committee have meet with us. But anybody will say he no go agree anything where anybody talk except the one way he don't talk 10 years ago. Now that one everybody must follow. You know that kind of thing go hard now. So at a stage, this kind of problem, you go just leave, make the thing they go. Now God knows as thing go sort out, because at the end of the day, something must happen. Because nobody fit talk say, except everybody agree as I talk, yeah, no go agree. And nobody fit, that one no be political language.
Okay, so looking at this matter self, person will know a bit of waiting, your history for politics for inside River State, and the Honorable Minister for Transportation history, you go notice say, even when you be governor, you be, in SSG, and all that. So people don't look at, so now two supposed get some kind better friendship and relationship. She be as friends, matter no fit just settle on top of table, on top of bottles, make we settle the matter, everything, and make everybody dey okay, make we move on for way forward.
Usually, now so life supposed to be. You disagree, you quarrel over issues. You don't quarrel with person.
Sure.
You understand? And so politicians they quarrel, because if you look Nigerian politics, some people will not agree together yesterday, now them be best friends today. Some people will agree together yesterday, they don't scatter today, because they based on the issue of waiting they happen. You understand what I mean? But when quarrel, political quarrel, they get relationship with the issues, they based on any factual matter. It is based on personality. It is very difficult. It is very difficult at that point to say, nah, so it go settle. So for this matter, waiting some of us feel, we say, we're supposed to look the constitution of the party and accommodate people according to what the constitution talk. If you just sit down, talk, say this person no be member of the party again because he no agree do what you talk. No be so the constitution talk. So now all those things, they bring the constant, as we do now, we even get matter for Supreme Court where they hang. So I think that based on waiting all of us don't see, the way politics now about number. Anybody will come to join, na strength they add, because the more you do, the more you go plenty past the other people. But if you organize yourself in such a way where people feel can join you, so that on go plenty past the other people, or organize yourself in such a way where they say people go get confidence, say if they can't join you, they waiting on go do, we go work. It go dey difficult for you to gather the numbers where you need to take overwhelm the people where they agree with you. So part of the challenges where we get for Rivers APC, we say we need to put our house together so that other people go fit come join us, so that we go plenty. But if we don't put the house together, people go fear to come join, because they know say if they go left or they go right, at the end of the day, the thing no go work. Because we don't do it several times like this and it no work.
Okay.
So that's not the issue.
Okay, make we even look straight at the 2023 election. We don't see some kind of people for River State, don't they come up? Maybe some group, don't they encourage them to contest, especially as it concerns the governorship position. We see somebody like, people, they support somebody like Ojukaye, Flagamakri. We don't see Tony Prince Sweet, people then come up to, they encourage and make a contest and all that. They're interested in governorship for River State?
Well, this thing not be about one person. It's not about whether you are interested, because you, Precious, if you're interested, as we did here, who know what's in your mind. But the thing be say, as a politician, where you don't reach some certain level, if you they do something, people expect, say, waiting you they do, na serious thing. somebody like me, I don't try to create a track record of the things where I don't do before, positions where I don't hold and how I don't work them, how I don't do them. So people get a lot of expectation. Say, if person like this, they do something, not serious something. So you know, go just get up, just run kitty, 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 run kata, kata, then you know, if you drink water, drop cup, as they talk. So you get to consult. But the truth of the matter be say, some of us, don't they look this politics from the time where we don't come. The other day, I did talk to some people. Then say, oh, now politicians get money. Now I ask them, say, okay, for River State here, who be the politicians who get money? They say, oh, Amaechi, Wike, Magnus Abe. They didn't come make me laugh. Because if you look politics, the real politicians, now those people where they run around, when wahala day, now then go day there, sleep for outside, now then go carry the thing for head. All these things where we they talk now about Magnus Abe, no be me now. Now the people where you they see, where they say they no agree because of this man, now then be the Magnus Abe now. So if you they look politics, now those people be the real politicians. And if we they look the matter, all these people, we don't suffer like this. Some of them, since 1999, they wrong with us. They do like this, they do like this. Waiting be their own share inside the politics. Waiting them don't get. So if we now come now, say we they do something again, we get to do something in a manner where we say, we go address the real issues we concern all these people. We don't they follow us, we don't they invest their time, their money, their effort, their strength into the thing where we they do, because now them be the real politicians. We must ask, how many of them get work? How many of them get light? How many of them get water? How many of them wait today be say, if them picking sick, they no get to go beg another person? As I day here, now every time I open my phone, one person they hospital, one person, they no fit help themselves. So if we don't do this thing for 20-something years, and then the majority of the people where they do the thing, still they were than they before. In fact, some of them even they worse now. Because if you look the prices of things in the market, relative to waiting some of them, they fit scratch out in a month or in a week. You know, say they don't go back, they don't even go front.
Okay,
if we get to do something, we must ask, waiting will they do, how we go do them, waiting go they different. Me, I no go just get up now, go begin jump up and down, say at the contest election. I must know the people where go follow me, know the people where understand waiting will they do, know the dynamics of how we go take do them, and get a clear understanding of how the thing will work out for everybody. Before I go come open my mouth, say, I go contest. And if not for me, I don't really need too much at the level where God don't carry some of us reach now. Because now, if not say, people say, who be Magnus Abe? Nobody go talk, say, who be Magnus. Now, let people like Amaechi will go for meeting, go say, after all, who be Magnus Abe?
Make take more. I still get you. You never really answer my question. You don't just play me, sha, but you know answer I'm straightforward, because I would like here maybe a yes or no, whether that's something where you be say good day interested in, you know. But we could just take small break. When we'll come back, if there another question where I get concerning the matter where you just raised up, will they come back? Stay with us on top of the show.